elephants comes with a story, which I'm going to tell you now. Let's make sure I'm chewing. I lost my father in late 2020, August 2020, to a heart attack. And over the kind of 18 months, 2 years after that, I wasn't really looking after myself. I was struggling for direction and struggling to keep myself together. Thanks to, again, a very beautiful woman to my right here. She kept me afloat and kept me kind of seeing the benefits to carrying on and, you know, looking after myself and all the rest. And I tried numerous times to put the emotions to words and song. I was never quite able to do it. And then in October of last year, I was kind of sitting, a melody in my head, this idea of kind of not being able to lift your head off the pillow in the morning and not wanting to, and the idea of like an elephant just pinning your chest down kind of seemed apt to me. The idea of like the black dog barking louder all the time. But as we've played it, it's kind of developed and become something that I thought some people would relate to it, but through the New Local Hero competition and the exposure that Highland have given us in the song, it's kind of touched a lot of people. And then even before that, it became a standout in the show because people would come up after and say, you know, my elephant is anxiety, or my elephant's depression, or I lost my mother last year, whatever it happened to be, you know. And we're very thankful that the song's reached so many people, and through that it's kind of carried the memory on because we get to tell this story every time we play it. So, without further ado, I am in tune. That's a good start. This is the elephants. So low, let me off the merry-go, round and drown me ever so, gasp for breath as another day begins. Black dogs barking louder now, the elephant's got my chest pinned down, paralyzed by nothing at all. That I'd fall asleep in these dreams. It's so much harder than it seems. We've all got across to there, some hidden hurt and deep despair, treading water, gasped for air. Life's sweet imperfections give you hope. Black dogs barking louder now, the elephant's got my chest pinned down, paralyzed by nothing at all. The ride's convinced that I'm bound to fall in this life. So much harder than it seems. seems. Black dogs barking louder now. The elephant's got my chest bent down. Paralyzed by nothing at all. The ride's convinced that I'm gonna fall. It's like we dream. So much harder than it seems. Thank you. We're Charge Davis in the race. That's it from us, folks.